एवरीवन, मैं हूं निकिता और मैं आपको ले जाने वाली हूं 5 दिन की जर्नी पे टू विटनेस द एक्स्ट्रावेगेंजा ऑफ FGCI presents Will's Lifestyle India Fashion Week Spring Summer 2015. So what are we waiting for? Let's have a sneak peek. Will's Lifestyle India Fashion Week Day 1 शुरू हुआ था with the ideal candidate अनीत अरोरा, जिन्होंने रैम्प को बदल डाला एक गार्डन में. By presenting her love for blooms in her collection, अनीत अरोरा stepped out of her comfort zone और इस बार उन्होंने किए lots of neon colors with hand embroidery which looked beautiful on the runway. हेमंत एंड नंदिनी का शो था ऑपुलेंस ऑफ इंडियन ट्रेडिशन एज दे यूज्ड इकत इन देयर कलेक्शन. कहने के लिए ये कलेक्शन था ट्रेडिशनल, बट इसे पेश किया गया था इन अ वेरी कंटेम्पररी स्टाइल.
Ikat, and then there is cross print, which is like inspired from the cross stitch that every house has, I think. Even in their home furnishing or clothes, you'll feel very connected to the collection. There's nothing, not even one single element that you'll feel that, oh, this is not known to you. So everything, the collection is very connecting.
Not So Serious by Pallavi Mohan ने प्रेजेंट किया a dreamy show with flowy pastel silhouettes. इनके आउटफिट्स में दिखा perfect amalgamation of flirtatious fabrics like cotton and knitted textiles.
I wanted the girl who's wearing the outfit to be in love with herself, to be in love with life, to love freedom, to love everything around her for herself. So that's where we started the collection.
Floral prints and love for blooms is what we got to see on the ramp today. लेकिन क्या floral prints है in fashion this summer? चलिए जानते हैं कुछ designers और celebrities से.
So, for example, the top she's wearing, it's all individual flowers that had been embroidered and then patched on together.
And then we also had a part of the show that was all about dedicated to nature. So it was all about flowers and leaves. And this is one of my favorite outfits from the show, which Sarili is wearing.
The collection was named Florence. It's all about the most of the inspiration was from flowers. So you could see a lot of floral motifs, and it was very feminine collection.
Dresses with large volume skirts which have lovely botanical prints, little fossilized, little like the pressed flower look.
Personally yearn to look like to see flowers, and when you see like a floral garden and then when you're wearing them, that's even better.
वेलकम बैक और आप देख रहे हैं विल्स लाइफस्टाइल इंडिया फैशन वीक स्प्रिंग समर 2015. The next designer on the block is Atsu, who is known for his chic, feminine and understated clothing. लेकिन इस बार Atsu has presented the soul of northeastern textiles in his modern style.
Well, I traveled back again to the Far East, which is one of my favorite inspiration, and everything Oriental I love doing. So I have even in my previous collection, I have done few collection, and this time again, I try to get inspired by samurai princess, Japan, Korea, but like making a collection which is not very literal, and also playing with softer colors and new shapes, exploring new embroidery techniques.
अल्पना नीरज के डिजाइन्स में दिखा द लव फॉर ओरिएंटल्स. ये कलेक्शन इंस्पायर था जापानीज कल्चर से, जो इनके हर आउटफिट में दिखाई दिया.
Loads to explore, but what really struck us was the anime and the manga culture and this whole sensibility of Japanese people, of their reluctance to grow up. So at the same time, which is contrasted with their, high technology.
Fresh, nice, vibrant whites with reds, a lot of indigos, teals, but always coupled with a light color. So we have coupled even the dark colors with white, so it looks very spring, summer and fresh and unusual.
Jiesha Designs by Paris and Shalini का शो था Bubble Burst on the Wrap. इनके कलेक्शन में दिखा combination of majestic floral prints and gaudy colors.
called the collection Dreamscape. So it's a moment where you're lost, where you want to spend some time in your loneliness. Sometimes you can even enjoy sorrow. So it's nostalgia. It's kind of cherishing special moments in your life. I think that's pretty much what the collection's about.
Will's Lifestyle India Fashion Week बन चुका है an epitome for fashion and designers. तो चलिए designers से जानते हैं about the staples that they think will hit spring summer 2015 wardrobe.
I think a lot of the drapes, the jewel t-shirts, the tunics.
A lot of pastels for spring summer 2015.
Bell-bottom pants, like the very 70s, the comeback pants.
I think checks is a big story. I think front slit skirts are a big story. This midi length, which is like mid-calf, is I think a new story for this season. Sheer, of course, remains a strong story. And tonal embroideries, I think, are a really big story for the season. And the color tangerine.
You'll see the resort suit, which is basically a pajama palazzo with a cape and a bralette inside.
The focus has been on the fabric, lightness more than ever before. So you can put 2 months of wardrobe into your hand baggage and travel with it.
Kurta with the dhoti skirt or the dhoti salwar, whatever you call it, like people are interpreting it differently. Then of course we have a lot of the churidar skirts, which I kind of brought in a few seasons back, and my young clients love it. So it's like not wearing a lehenga and not wearing a salwar kameez. It's almost fusion, but I mean it's almost Western, but it is Indian.
Well, day one is not yet over. तो कहीं मत जाएगा क्योंकि ब्रेक के उस पार है the ace designer Tarun Talyani's show.
So I think this probably is the only show that has that much color in it.
Here I had this amazing body of color, of motif. I didn't want to make it too figurative.
Welcome back, guys. और अब हम आपको दिखाने वाले हैं the most awaited show of the evening, Tarun Talyani show, जो हो रहा है Emporio में. But first, let's go backstage to see what all goes behind putting up a show like this.
Tarun's clothes are very modern, but I think he's accessorizing it with a lot of tribal jewelry. Therefore, we're keeping the makeup modern, and at the same time, we are still doing a few tribal dots, like you can see on Carol. Just a little bit of a touch for tribal. So it all will come together when you'll see them completely dressed. Actually, Tarun is a very easy designer to work for because, he gives you a lot of space to create and do your own magic, He just gives you a brief outline and then you just now play. So that's exactly what he did even here. He just sent me some references of turbans and things like that. And then from there on, I just picked up the idea of doing the dots or, using bright colors. So because the clothes are also very colorful.
These are the inspiration. These are the Singh twins who I, as you saw in the press kit, discovered when I walked into a retrospective at the National Gallery of Modern Art, and I was obsessed by their work.
From there on, I think we knew that the relationship was going to develop, and when Tarun suggested a collaboration, we naturally jumped at the chance.
Their motto for their work is very similar to what they describe their work as past modern, and I describe it as all that we were and more. So really, in a way, it's the same thing. And the more I got to know them, the more I enjoyed interacting with them, because there was a real intellectual idea behind each painting. These are not pretty paintings for the sake of being pretty. They are deeply thought and felt sociological statements. Here I had this amazing body of color, of motif. I didn't want to make it too figurative. So we took elements and we kept out elements, and because we do a lot of digital work, it wasn't that difficult. We met a few times and we talked and we resonated, and I had decided that we'd use them to do prints and we'd do a whole show based on their work. And so we did it, and then we started in a more classical way, but then I started deconstructing their work and making collages and cutting their paintings and reconstructing and making it whacked out, and then started doing shirts and then scarves, because I said I'd never use the paintings as they were. That's their prerogative, for them to do scarves or wall hangings, that I would take it and make it something mad.
Day 1 तो रहा एक पैक्ड अफेयर with some amazing designers, जहाँ एक तरफ we saw इकत, वहीं दूसरी तरफ was flowing silhouettes done by Pallavi Mohan, and of course आज का highlight would be the off-site show by Tarun Tilyani, जो था a museum of artwork. But कल यानी day 2 है और भी promising, so keep watching this space to stay in fashion, same time, same place, only on Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.